Alright, so I broke my bike again. I was trying to change out the gasket for the clutch cover, and clutch cover engine case, I should say, and I broke the clutch lifter arm and I broke the clutch lifter pin, and so now I have to replace them. I'm going to try to replace them. I'm already pretty there, so I should be able to do it. And if I can't, I'm going to throw in the towel and bring it to TTR. It's not going to cost me much, hour of labor at this point, because the case is already off. But if I can do it myself, that's good, because, A, save money, but B, also, get better at this kind of stuff. Because I ride a lot, so obviously riding a lot means, maintaining a lot. By the way, the unfortunate part was I had just changed my oil, and I, have lost a lot of that oil now, so that sucked. It was expensive oil too. I used Motul. So what I gotta do is take off the clutch cover, replace the pin that's in there, because you can see it's snapped off. Gotta fix that gear. That should be easy. And I had the new gasket on already, and then I gotta put the clutch lifter arm into the cover and get it reattached, which I pretty much have no idea what I'm doing. But I know it in theory. Why do I do this to myself? Why? Ready for an exam? Alright, this is a struggle. This is a little harder than I thought it would be. I'm going to come back to that. So here I was fiddling around trying to take this bolt off that wasn't a bolt. I should have pulled a piece out. Dope. But at least now I can put it back in. This broken piece. This. It's not broken piece. Okay. Oh, I see. It probably moved. Okay, that was pretty good. This job sucks. I should stick to music. I may never be a good motorcycle mechanic. I already think this is not right. Fuck me. Alright, so my had some problems. The clutch plate, one of the like, I guess the steel plates behind it was a little off, so nothing was going in quite right, and then we couldn't get the lifter arm well, but luckily my neighbor across the street, Paul, who helped us out with Max Trident, was able to. He came over and helped me out, and well, he really fixed the bike. So, well, we think fixed the bike. I got to put some oil in it, and then we'll see. Hope so, because then I can put it back together and have a motorcycle again.
Thanks for watching. Take care and scramble on.